Introducing the 2025 Mercedes-Benz CLE-Class, a stunning new addition to the Mercedes lineup that merges luxury, performance, and cutting-edge technology. Designed to replace both the C-Class and E-Class coupes, the CLE is here to redefine what it means to drive a luxury two-door. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking an up-close look at the all-new 2025 Mercedes-Benz CLE-Class. Whether you're here for the jaw-dropping design, the innovative tech, or the thrilling performance, this video will cover it all. Let's get started. From the outside, the CLE-Class is a perfect blend of sophistication and sportiness. The iconic Mercedes grille takes center stage, flanked by sleek digital light LED headlights that provide not only style, but also enhanced visibility. The long hood, coupe-like roofline, and aerodynamic body give the CLE-Class an unmistakable presence on the road. Step inside and you're greeted by a cabin that's pure Mercedes luxury. The CLE-Class features premium materials like leather, open-pore wood trims, and brushed aluminum. The seats are designed for ultimate comfort, with optional massaging and heating functions. And just look at this customizable ambient lighting. It transforms the interior into your own personal lounge. Now, let's talk tech. The C-Class is equipped with the latest MBUX infotainment system, featuring an 11.9-inch central touchscreen and a 12.3-inch digital driver display. It's packed with features like wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, augmented reality navigation, and even voice commands that respond to, "Hey Mercedes." And for audiophiles, the available Burmester 3D surround sound system is simply incredible. Under the hood, the C-Class offers a range of powertrains. The C300 comes with a 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine, delivering 255 horsepower, while the C3.0-liter Matic features a 3.0-liter inline-six with 375 horsepower, and Mercedes EQ-Boost mild hybrid system. Both options promise smooth, refined performance and a thrilling driving experience. Safety is a top priority, and Mercedes has you covered with an impressive suite of driver assistance features. From adaptive cruise control and active lane keeping assist to parking assist and a 360-degree camera, the CLE-Class is designed to keep you safe and confident on the road. So, what makes the 2025 Mercedes-Benz CLE-Class special? It's the perfect combination of luxury, technology, and performance, all wrapped up in a sleek and stylish package. Whether you're looking for a weekend cruiser or an everyday driver, the CLE-Class is ready to impress. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more automotive content. What's your favorite feature of the 2025 Mercedes-Benz CLE-Class? Let me know in the comments below. Until next time, drive safe and stay inspired.